Hey guys, just bought this case at Walmart yesterday. Just cut it open. 36 cars for 39 bucks. Not a good deal. So we'll open it up and see. Upside down. See what we get. Put my phone down here. Upside down. Look it that way. See if they not fall out. Some licensed cars, some mostly not. 1, 2, 3, like 3 licensed cars there. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 licensed cars there. So the 9, 4 there. A couple Porsches, Corvette. They do have these cards between them. Camaro, oh, GTO. So this little tray has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 9 licensed ones. Cool little GTO exclusive. Exclusive color, I should say. And then 1, 2, 3, 3, the top 3 licensed cars. That's it. Corvette, Camaro, and an old Ford or old 34. That's it. So here, let's pick this up. Show them to you a little closer. So it looks like it was a waste of $39. This will be a short 2-minute video, less than 2-minute video. There you go. Open up a case. Comment below. Let me know if you get the same stinking cars or if you actually get something good. No super version or regular version of any super. No super. No regular T-Hunt. I think these are probably just leftovers that Mattel boxed up. Alright guys, have a blessed day. Take care.